Are you looking for the best bike covers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best bike covers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Puroma Bike Cover. The Puroma bike cover is made of waterproof polyester with PU and UV coating that protects your bike from weather, dust, dirt, and sun damage. With a snug fit design, the cover has a bottom double-stitched elastic hem and a specially designed buckle for windy days. The lock hole design allows you to use a bike lock with the cover on. The compact size with Velcro design makes it easy to carry and store. The cover is well suited for most bikes up to 29-inch wheel size. What we like: waterproof protection, durable material, easy to use, compact storage, reflective strips for visibility. What we don't like: thin fabric can tear, dust may accumulate. Number 2. Indeed BUI waterproof bike cover for 1 to 2 bikes. The Indeed BUI waterproof bike cover is a heavy-duty 420D cover that can easily fit 1 to 2 bikes up to 29-inch wheel size. It provides all-weather and all-season protection, including rain, sun, wind, snow, ice, hail, leaves, birds, and spores. The elasticated front middle-back hems and buckle on the middle keep the cover in place during high winds, and the 2 lock holes at the front wheel area provide double security against bike theft. It is made of quality materials and comes with a portable package for easy storage when not in use. What we like: heavy-duty all-weather protection, reduces theft risk, well-made and durable, includes storage pouch, reflective strips for visibility. What we don't like: fit may be tight for 2 e-bikes, smaller than expected for some users. Number 3. Zettum 600D bike cover for 2 bikes. The Zettum bike cover is designed to protect up to 2 bikes from the elements. Its spacious dimensions ensure full coverage, making it suitable for various bike types, including e-bikes and mountain bikes. Crafted from durable 600D Oxford cloth with a waterproof coating, this cover stands tough against rain and harsh weather. The innovative windproof buckles secure the cover tightly, preventing it from being blown away. Additionally, the cover is easy to put on, allowing you to safeguard your bikes quickly and efficiently against sun, rain, and debris. What we like: heavy, waterproof material, durable and spacious design, effective against dust and rain, easy to use and store, includes storage bag and cleaning cloth. What we don't like: slight tension with large bikes, limited information on replacement parts. Number 4. CEKURE Outdoor Bike Cover. The CEKURE bike cover offers exceptional protection for your bicycles against the elements. Its superior waterproofing, with over 2,000 pascals resistance and heat-sealed seams, ensures your bike remains dry during heavy rain. The durable 210D Oxford fabric features a silver UV lining that shields your bike from sun damage, preventing fading and wear. Additionally, this cover is designed to resist tears and scratches, maintaining its appearance even in harsh conditions. With reflective handles and strips, it enhances visibility at night, keeping you and your bike safe. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your bike is well protected. What we like: excellent waterproofing, UV protection, durable material, night visibility features. Number 5. Topcrown Waterproof Bike Cover XL. The Topcrown bike cover offers exceptional protection for your bicycle with its advanced 210D fabric and waterproof coatings. You can trust it to shield your bike from rain, sun, and dust, making it ideal for outdoor storage. The large XL size ensures it fits bikes up to 29 inches, providing comprehensive coverage. Additionally, the innovative design features an elastic band and secure buckles, enhancing wind resistance and keeping your bike safe. With its stylish green accents, this cover not only protects but also looks great while promoting environmental conservation. What we like: waterproof material, durable and rip resistant, includes travel bag, Good value for price. Easy to install. What we don't like. Thin material may tear easily. Size may not fit all bikes.